Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to screen recording on your iPhone device. This procedure does not require you to download any third-party apps. Instead, this app is already built into your device, and yet, the best screen recorder for your iPhone device. So first thing you have to do is open the settings and click Control Center. Scroll down until you find the screen recording. Click this green plus sign beside the screen recording icon. You will notice that the screen recording icon is now included in the Control Center menu. And after that, go back again to the main menu. And from the main menu, swipe up if you are using iPhone 8 Plus and below, and swipe down if you are using iPhone X or higher. You will notice that the screen recording icon is now included in the Control Center menu. If you tap the screen recording icon, a countdown will appear, and when it turns red and blinking, this indicates that your screen is now recording. Everything that you will do in your phone is now recorded. And when you want to turn off the screen recording, just go back to the main menu, swipe up or swipe down again, then click the recording button. Then the recording will stop. Now to watch your screen recording, you just have to go to Photos, and you can find the screen recording video there. And that is how to screen recording on your iPhone device. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.